All right, let's jump right in. We're going to talk about something that can completely change your experience with AI, how you write your prompts. Seriously, a few simple tweaks to the structure and format can take you from getting kind of meh answers to getting absolutely amazing ones.
You've been there, right? We all have. You ask the AI for something, and what you get back is this giant, messy wall of text. It's confusing, it's disorganized, or maybe it just totally misses the point. It is so frustrating. But here's the thing. What if the problem isn't really the AI? What if it's the way we're asking?
Okay, here's the secret. I want you to start thinking about your prompt like it's an email. I mean, look at this. A messy, rambling email is going to get a slow, confused reply or maybe no reply at all. But a clear, organized one, you get exactly what you need, fast. That exact same idea is the key to unlocking better AI responses. So today we're basically going to build your own personal prompt engineering toolkit. We'll kick things off with that core email analogy, and then we'll get into some really practical tools for clarity, precision, and, yeah, efficiency. So first up, the prompt as an email. Why does this analogy work so well? Well, because structure isn't just for us humans. When you give an AI a well-organized prompt, you're removing all the guesswork. You're making it so much easier for the AI to understand exactly what you want.
I mean, it really just boils down to this simple truth, right? Clarity gets results. A clear, organized request is just processed way more effectively by the model. It's as simple as that.
Okay, let's get to the good stuff, the practical tools. This first set is all about bringing that beautiful, clear structure directly into your prompts.
In our first tool, honestly, probably the most powerful one is also the simplest, lists. Using bullet points or numbers is the most direct way to tell the AI, hey, I want the information organized exactly like this. And just look at the difference this makes. The prompt on the left, tell me about study tips, is so vague. It's kind of more of a wish than a command. But the one on the right is a direct order. Just by adding give me a bulleted list, you've told the AI exactly how to format the output. It's such a tiny change, but it has a huge impact on readability.
Now, what happens when you have a bigger, more complex request? Something with multiple parts. That is where sections come in. This is how you literally guide the AI through your entire thought process, one step at a time.
So instead of asking for an explanation and examples and a quiz all at once in one big blob of text, you label them. You create these distinct sections. You've basically built a roadmap for the AI to follow, and that roadmap leads directly to the answer you were imagining. All right, our third set of tools is all about precision. This is how you make sure the AI can handle multiple different ideas in a single prompt without getting them all jumbled up and confused.
And the key tool here is something called a delimiter. Now, don't let the technical name fool you. It's just a symbol. Think of it like 3 dashes or a few hashtags. It acts like a hard stop, a fence, between the different parts of your prompt. Using a delimiter like this tells the AI, hey, stop. Finish the first task completely before you even think about starting the second one. This prevents that messy blending of ideas and makes sure you get clean, distinct responses for each part of your request.
And if you want to direct the AI's focus even more, here's a pro tip that gives you another layer of almost surgical control.
It's so simple. Just use bolding or all caps for your most critical instructions. Think of it like a digital highlighter. It forces the AI to pay extra close attention to the most important parts of your command, like the action word summarize, or a specific number like 5.
Okay, for our final section, let's talk about working smarter, not harder. This is all about making your new prompting skills fast, consistent, and repeatable.
And the absolute best way to do this is with templates. I mean, if you find yourself asking the same kind of question over and over again, don't rewrite the prompt from scratch every time. Just create a template. And it can be as simple as this. You create a basic structure, save it somewhere, and then you just fill in the blanks with a new topic each time. This makes your prompt in super fast, super consistent, and it guarantees you get the exact format you want every single time. So, let's put it all together. Your new toolkit gives you absolutely everything you need. You've got lists and sections for structure and clarity, you've got delimiters and emphasis for precision and control, and you've got templates to make it all incredibly efficient. You are now officially ready to write way, way better prompts.
You know, if there is just one thing you take away from all of this, let it be this. A little bit of structure makes a huge difference. These aren't complex coding tricks. They're just simple, tiny adjustments to how you ask. And they can fundamentally change the quality of what you get back.
So, I'll leave you with this final thought. Now that you have this toolkit, now that you have these new skills, what's the first complex prompt you're going to build? Go on, start experimenting, and see for yourself just how much better your results can be.